Welcome back to Chic Spaces with another beautiful home walkthrough.
Today, we are taking you inside a 3 BHK vacation home at Frontline 7 that is designed entirely for our NRI clients. And do you know what the most amazing part is?
Everything from detailed design discussions to material selection, everything happened online. This home is a blend of functionality, elegance, and soulful design.
So why wait? Let's dive right in.
The living room is all about calm, luxury, and thoughtful design. The custom-made Buddha partition sets the spiritual tone right at the start.
The TV unit features a rustic stone texture, enhanced with hints of gold and mirror, while the sofa backdrop in shimmer grey and stone accents tie it all together. It's serene yet luxurious.
Now this common area is a showstopper. The handcrafted Jhula with brass chains makes a timeless statement. Behind it, we have created an accent wall with a custom gold PVD frame and acrylic mirror, and added a sleek credenza for extra storage and styling.
Our favorite corner, the Puja unit, a handcrafted marble featuring veneers and brass detailing. The Sai Baba space has custom-made brass lotuses, and the door is adorned with fluted glass and auspicious bells.
Inside Puja, we have included Kamdhenu cows, CNC cut Om pattern, ample storage, and brass bells that bring in spiritual warmth and functionality.
Moving to the dining, the crockery unit is massive, with lift-up storage, a display rack, bevel backsplash, and even bottle storage.
Now this chic acrylic kitchen is glamorous, yet incredibly practical. From dishwasher to wicker baskets, built-in chopping area, microwave oven, tambour unit, and full pantry, it's every home chef's dream. The louver and glass entry adds a luxe vibe.
The master bedroom is styled in mellow rose and beige tones, very subtle, calming, and warm. It has end-to-end storage solutions, including drawers, shutters, a keyboard tray, and a full-size dresser.
The TV unit with beige and stone textures, custom-made hydraulic bed, curved end tables, and matte finish back wall bring in understated sophistication. We have also added a collapsible study table for work from home flexibility. This collapsible table can also be used as an iron table if in need be.
Designed to be girly yet age neutral, this room combines pink, lavender, and grey tones. A large window seating with book storage, a moon-shaped dresser, and floor-to-ceiling wardrobes make it dreamy and functional.
Don't miss the stucco-painted bed wall with rose gold highlights, the perfect princess vibe.
For our American football fan, we went with a custom wardrobe shutter, a hydraulic bed with cushioned backrest, and a football beside the wall.
There's a functional study with open and closed storage, and the dressing unit is cleverly concealed within the wardrobe, a perfect blend of style and smarts.
Every inch of this home reflects personalization, comfort, and elegant luxury, tailored to meet our clients' requirements even when they were overseas.
At Chic Spaces, we believe in bringing dream homes to life, even remotely. My favorite part of the house is definitely the color palette of the master bedroom, because as soon as you enter, you feel welcomed and relaxed.
And my favorite part is the kitchen with its beautiful color palette and accessories that make it very functional.
Please watch the tour again and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.
Thank you.